When fastening components subject to a low load, conventional screws on their own lack grip on masonry, plaster walls or concrete. This means that you always have to use an extra anchor to attach them. The amount of extra effort needed to do this can become vast, particularly in large industrial buildings where there are extensive cable ducts. That's why REISSER has developed the new assembly screw to ensure faster mounting without the need for anchors. Thanks to the special HiLo thread, the component can be fixed in place immediately after drilling the hole. The bit sits securely in the drive and provides excellent power transmission with no slipping. So Amin and I are going to show you how this improves the total working time. Amin, on your signal.
Go!
As you can see, the benefits brought in terms of time and materials are unbeatable. We can cut a durable female thread without using an anchor and fix the component in place perfectly with high contact pressure using the flat pan head. As well as saving time, it also increases safety. Amin, let's go. It's time for us to get out. When exposed to high temperatures, fixings with anchors that don't have adequate heat protection may melt and become loose. But with the assembly screw, there is no need to worry, as all of the other components will fail before there is a chance for our steel to melt. Wow, okay Amin, let's get stuck in again.
Yeah, but this time without anchors.